So my name is Ben Sabo. I'm going to be demonstrating one of the techniques we use here at Rockrimmon Chiropractic. This is called coupled motion. Dr. Wright and I learned how to do this through Syntropy Chiropractic Training. Aaron and Patrick, those guys are great. If you're a chiropractor, check out Syntropy Chiropractic. They're the best adjusters out there. So I'm going to be showing you guys the coupled motion technique learned from Syntropy. I've already checked out Dr. Wright and know what I'm going to adjust on him, so we'll just kind of walk you through that. I'm going to lie on your right side. Facing. All the way over on your other side. Seat straight up for me. So we use these boards here. They work great for doing these adjustments in the middle back. We can just use our flat hand rather than the classic fist in the patient's back. It's not very comfortable for anyone, the patient or the doc. So put a board behind them, use a flat hand to adjust, and it's just better for everybody. Let's do this one. This one. Lie all the way back. All right, there you go. That's the Syntropy adjusting technique, coupled motion of the spinal adjustment. Thank you.